guys, we are back with another hair video. Oop, and I still left some conditioner in my hair. And we are here today. I am going to be doing a roller set. Now, by no means, I am not the roller set queen by any means. This is just how I do it. So feel free to watch or not watch. I'm just kidding. I hope you guys watch. So what I'm going to do, my hair is currently 1 week post relaxer. So it is pretty straight. So we shouldn't have any issues in that department. Now what I like to do when I'm going to section off my hair, I don't part really well. So I like to take one of my rollers and put it here so I know how big of a space I need to have, and that kind of helps me guide how much I need. And you'll probably see as I'm going through too that I'll probably still end up having to put some back to the other side because I have entirely too much. And then I'm just going to pin this side out of the way. I work with my hair in sections, y'all, because I just can't even begin to try. I don't have like a bunch of, like I have a lot of hair, but I don't have like, you know, I ain't acting like I'm Rapunzel or nothing, but I used to be so overwhelmed and aggravated with my hair because it is thick, and the closer I need to relax her, the more it was just hard to deal with, and I used to really hate doing my hair. But like I always say, and you'll always see when I do a hair video, that sections is going to be your best friend. So now we're just working with this middle piece here. I do go in, I do use the same things that I use on my, when I straighten my hair. Kind of get it all together. And I'm going to take that piece and work in sections probably. Or am I? No, I'm not. Just kidding. So now I'm going to go in with this. And the last time I did this, I put too much oil on it. But I do have to put something in my scalp. So I think I'm going to go in with this just to oil my scalp last, instead of like oiling it all the way down like I was doing, because my hair was very frizzy the last time I did this. But I am going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Yep, drop the top. And I'm just going to take that in all over my hair, at least for the big part. And then as I section, I'll still put some on in that section as well. I'm going to take my wire tooth comb and comb out that section. It shouldn't be too tangled up because I just detangled it when I washed it, but just in case. And then I'm going to start from the back. So I hope you guys are going to be able to see this. We shall see. Section a piece. Take that. That piece and wrap it around. And so we have just that piece right there. Where's my clip? Add just a little bit here. Gonna add some foam. Don't really need to brush it straight, but I'm going to brush it straight. Make sure it is smooth. Take the roller, go all the way to the end. Roll. Nope, still got a piece of it. Roll, 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 roll. Try to put some pressure onto it as I get down to the back and clamp. And then I'll go to the next piece. So I'm going to do the back, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I do the front of this section. So now I am here to my front. And as you can see, I told y'all I do get a little, I end up having to go back and section some off. So I'm going to part, and I'm really just using my hand because I don't really care to have like super straight parts, because honestly, once it's all there together, it's going to be like a flowy number anyway. So I don't really care about them being super straight. You can. I'm just not that anal about it. I just don't think it makes a difference, honestly. Because as you can see, some of these going front and back are a little crooked. My thought process, as long as it is, the hair is smooth and I don't have too much on the roller, then I'm good to go. Because especially with it being too much on the roller, then my hair is more than likely not going to be dry. And I go all the way to the tip, add a little pressure, take this part and clamp. Now, I do hate to actually roll this one like that, but generally when I wear it out, I don't wear it just sitting with this big old curl like that. So it's okay. It'll actually be more of a Shirley Temple number. You'll see when I take it out the next day. And I probably will vlog how I keep this up. I hope it acts right. Since I do tend to want to vlog that, we will see. A roller set generally doesn't take that long, especially if your hair is straight, because you don't have to really go like work through it. Next, I'm going to go over to this spot. I do always say keep you some water. This is mixed with Lotta body, just in case in the meantime your hair is, I didn't want to get y'all wet, getting dry. You can also go back over it to keep it from being dry. And I'm just going to repeat the steps that I did here, and I'll come back and show you how I rolled this part. All right, when we get to the side, we're going to break that up into smaller pieces. And this will be kind of our back piece here. We're going to section off again, and we're going to roll this going up. Oh, I got something in the back loose. And there may be times once you get all the hair up that you'll see that a roller needs a little bit more attention, and you can just kind of go back and redo that as needed. Oh, she need a lot of attention, Jesus. Take this at the bottom. Wait, no. Get my life. And roll this going up. Now with this, you want to make sure when you're going up that you have enough hair in that piece. So I might want to add a little bit more on that because I need it to actually hold good. So do not want it to be falling out. So now we sit underneath the dryer for about, I'm going to sit for my hair because my hair is thick for about an hour to hour 30 minutes. I'll probably get up and take a break after the first 30 minutes and then come back and sit for the full hour. So I would recommend getting one of these portable things here. They are clutch because you can be anywhere. Once I have them all out, I do kind of try to separate some of them and kind of try to fluff through so that we don't have such big gaps in between everywhere so that everybody kind of falls. And they're going to be a little tight today, which is what I prefer on the first day because they will eventually drop as the day goes. But as long as you ain't walking out like somebody's Grandma Sue, you are all right. Saline who? Saline who? Okay. As long as you got you a good dryer and some products, sis, you can create a roller set at the house.